Okay, so my friend said that this Banchu Jean place is super real at Phu Nhung, so I went to buy it. Firstly, it is huge. Like, holy shit. Seems crunchy. Smells good. Oh, you hear that crunch? So I'm excited. It's more expensive than the one I usually get at my hometown. It's like, at my hometown it's half the price. This one is 12k, but like it's double the size. So I guess it makes sense. Mukbang time. I am ascending. The banana is really good. It's like super Yale and mem. And it smells really nice. It's like a very fragrant, strong banana smell. And the mob outside is hella crunchy. Look, it's not airy. It's just all banana. One more bite, just in case. I'm too hungry, so I'm like saying it's good, but it's not good. It's good. So is it worth 12k? Yeah. Yummy.